My name is Sugaruna and I'm 20 years old. I'm studying bachelor's in accounting and finance. I like money, first of all, and I like business. Yeah. My family lives right here in Mackenzie. Yeah, my mom, my big sister, my brother, and me stay here.
A lot of people taking jets in the States, man. How many people do it overseas, though? You know? We just, just living, man. Morocco, I love you. It's been a great experience. Got to see my fam, catch up on the 15 years I missed. Now back to the journey.
Now this is Cocoa Beach. It's not what you expect. It's not a place in Florida. This is actually Cocoa Beach in Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. And this is actually my favorite place to go on the weekends. It's great. As you can see here, everybody's out playing, having a good time. People are just chilling and relaxing. This is how the Tanzanians spend their Sunday afternoons. And I gotta tell you, I love to join them in it. It's all about hanging out, getting the inner tubes, floating out in the water, having a beautiful day, and then having some Noma Choma and beer afterwards as a good filler for the stomach. I'm really going to miss this beach. I have to say, I think it's my favorite beach in all of Africa. Cocoa Beach, Dar es Salaam, Tanzania.
Health is an emerging need, and for this, we exist. My name is Mbogwa Njehia, representing Shimba Technologies. With me on stage is Steve Mutenda, founder CEO of Shimba, and somewhere in the crowd is Paulo Ketu, who handles our financing and funding. Now, Shimba, we're here because we won East Africa's premium mobile application development event called Pivot 25, and today we're excited to be able to launch what we believe will be the next platform in Africa, increasing access to healthcare information and services for the mass market. Now, let's talk emerging markets a bit, and I need all of you to clear your mind. Some of the comforts that you enjoy in the Western world are not available elsewhere. So in talking emerging markets, think long distances, think poor infrastructure, but then again, think opportunity. The world population is going to hit 7 billion by end of October. 15% of that will be in Africa. Some numbers there. In Kenya, we have a population of 40 million, with 25 million mobile subscribers, and 10 million of those who access mobile data. But here's the disconnect in relation to healthcare information access. We only have 7,000 doctors. Yes, 7,000 doctors for 40 million people. What does that mean? It means a lot of information in too few heads. That knowledge currently lacks scale. Not only that, there's a disconnect in the entire ecosystem, meaning that there's no singular platform that connects all the different publics and enables them to derive value. We want to be the ones that provide that particular platform.
even in the darkest night. Hey there, you tryna stand up on your own 2 feet and stumbling through the sky. Hey there, you looking for a brighter season, need to lay your burden down. Hey there, you drowning in the helpless feeling, buried under deeper ground. Never gonna see a day when your world will change.
My name is Boualem Ben Amirouche. I'm a tour guide. Generally, we are guiding people around this old city of Algiers, known by UNESCO. It's a World Heritage today from 1992. This city, as I said, is the oldest city of Algiers, and it's full of history. The history of this city started by the lighthouse you can see down. There were 4 small islands where the Phoenicians set foot first, and the 4 small islands gave the name to the country. Also, Aljazair was taken from those islands that were there at that time. After the Phoenicians, the Romans were here. After the Romans, the Vandals, the Byzantines, the French. A lot of civilizations passed by here. And of course, the Casbah is known by two famous names, the Algiers the Well Protected and Algiers the Wild. Algiers the Well Protected because the Casbah in the Ottoman period was surrounded by ramparts, 3,200 meters of ramparts.
Takes Africa.
And you are welcome to what is bound to be yet another exciting Ndani TV adventure. And this time, this one starts in Lagos at the DJ Cuppy tour, which is kicking off right now. Now, Cuppy is one of the youngest female DJs in all of Africa, and she is taking over several countries on this tour to check out some of the top producers and the top music on the continent. Come on, let's go. DJ, let's go. Come on!
Welcome to Cuppy Takes Africa.
How do you feel about the Cuppy Takes Africa tour? This is the first concert that's happening in Lagos. How do you feel?
I'm actually proud that she has decided to do this, and my expectations are high, and I know she's going to meet up definitely.
What I've experienced tonight, I think DJ Cuppy has what it takes to take DJing in Nigeria, but all of Africa, to the international stage.
She is very young and talented, and I wish her success on her tour.
Well, Cuppy, go seek, go conquer, and go return. We're waiting there.
What I would just say, man, just keep representing Nigeria everywhere you go. Keep doing your thing, Cuppy. We support you. We love you. Go, Cuppy.